Cache Giraffe can use noticeable battery while games, tracking, background activity, or location-related services are active. So the fastest fix is to identify whether the drain happens while you are actively using the app or after you close it. By the end, you'll know which Cache Giraffe and phone settings to check, how to see whether the app is actually responsible for the battery loss, and what to do if the drain continues. Start by checking your phone's battery usage before changing anything. On Android, open Settings and look for Battery or Battery Usage, then find Cache Giraffe in the app list. On iPhone, open Settings, select Battery, and check Cache Giraffe in the Battery Activity section. Order 2 is case. If Cache Giraffe is using a large share of your recent battery, check whether the drain happens while the app is open or while it is running in the background. That distinction matters because the fix is different. On Android, open Settings, Apps, Cache Giraffe, and look for Battery. If your phone provides background usage controls, restrict background activity when you are not actively using the app. Wind. On iPhone, open Settings, General, Background App, Refresh. If Cache Giraffe appears there, you can disable Background App Refresh for the app if you do not need it updating in the background. Next, check Location Access. If Cache Giraffe has location permission that you do not need continuously, review the permission in your phone's privacy settings and choose the least access that still allows the feature you use. Also close Cache Giraffe when you are finished playing. Leaving a game or reward session running can keep the app active longer than necessary. Check whether your battery drain actually comes from Cache Giraffe or from the games you launch through it. If a particular game is using most of the battery, reducing graphics quality, screen brightness, or background activity in that game may have a bigger effect than changing Cache Giraffe. Screen brightness is another major factor during extended gaming sessions. Lower the brightness to a comfortable level and avoid leaving the display at maximum brightness for long periods. Keep both your phone's operating system and Cache Giraffe updated. Open the Google Play Store or App Store and install any available Cache Giraffe update. Also check your phone's system update settings. If battery drain started immediately after a Cache Giraffe update, record the app version and your phone's operating system version. This information can help support identify whether the problem is specific to a particular release. Do not repeatedly uninstall and reinstall the app just to test battery usage. First, compare the battery statistics before and after changing background activity and permissions. The best order is to check battery usage, identify foreground versus background activity, limit unnecessary background access, review location permissions, reduce screen brightness, and update the app. Your next step is to open your phone's battery usage screen and see exactly how much battery Cache Giraffe is consuming. If this fixed the battery drain, like the video and subscribe for more Cache Giraffe troubleshooting guides.